Hello everyone, my name is Ramesh. Welcome back to my channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss about one important entry question, that is internal working of HashMap in Java 8. This question is mostly asked at experienced people, and it is good to know by the freshers also. Let's check what is the internal implementation of HashMap. Okay, in order to improve the working of HashMap, Java 8 made the updates to the internal implementation, okay, workflow. Once a certain threshold is reached, the values are now automatically stored in the tree manner, okay, rather than a linked list. Initially, it was used to store in the linked list. After a certain threshold is reached, the values are stored in the, you know, tree manner actually. Okay, so instead of order of n, that is O of n, retrieval time, which is time complexity, we now have the better time complexity, that is order of log n actually, retrieval performance, and it will improve the performance a lot. Java only does this when there is a performance gain. Okay, it is not programmer's responsibility to do the threshold limit and all. It is the responsibility of Java JVM. Okay, it will do automatically whenever it reaches the certain threshold limit. And next question is this hash collision. Okay, so we need to just understand the hash collision concept, like in the hash map internal implementation, right? Hash collision is a problem that occurs like when we have the same hash code for two different keys. It is possible actually. Okay, okay, same hash code is possible for two different keys. For example, if our map has two keys, that is may, may, and yam, and we are just generating the hash code by calculating the sum of the numbers assigned to each character in the starting, like assume that m is 13, a equal to 1, and y equal to 25. So the hash code for may and yam will be the same as 39 actually, and may and yam keys will go to the same bucket, giving rise to the same hash for different keys actually. This is where hash collision occurs. Let's check the same in diagram. See, assume that this is the hash code bucket mechanism. As we know that hash map internally maintains bucket system, okay, where each bucket, right, okay, so different hash codes will sit into each bucket. Okay, that is also responsibility of JVM. Okay, assume that may also have 39 as the hash code after summing of three characters, and YAM also having 39. Okay, so it internally assumes that okay, same hash code count, right, after summing it, it will go and sit in the same bucket actually. Then there is a chances of rising the hash collision. Okay, just to overcome this issue, we have the tree manner where Java 8 principles it is introduced. Okay, so now the next question is, if you go and sit right here, if we check here, there are some advantages of hash map and hash table, linked hash map, tree map, and hash table. Some key nodes we need to remember it. Let's check it. See, hash map. Hash map offers order of one, insertion and retrieval. This is the time complexity. And hash map contains value based on the keys actually. Okay, the ordering of keys is random. It uses a linked list to store the data. Okay, and it contains only unique elements, right? And it may have only one null key, at most one null key, and multiple null values it allow. It is not thread safe. Okay, hash map is not thread safe. Please remember these 2 points, very important. And coming to the linked hash map is the same as hash map, but except the maintains the insertion order. Whatever the programmer inserts the objects or elements, right, same order it will go and sit it actually in the memory. Okay, other features or properties, right, aligned with the same as hash map. And coming to another one, tree map. Tree map offers O of log n, insertion and retrieval time. This is the time complexity we need to remember. It cannot have null key. Even for example, hash map allow at most one null key, right? But tree map does not allow even null key also. Only multiple values and can have multiple values. It will allow multiple values. It maintains ascending order of keys. This is one of the important feature. Ascending order by default it will just arranges in ascending order. The rest of the properties align with the hash map only. Okay, coming to the hash table, it is thread safe. Since it is thread safe and the performance is low actually. And null is not allowed for both keys and values. This is very important thing. hash table, right? It does not allow null and you know as a key, as well as values also it does not allow. And whenever interviewer asks what are the changes done in with respect to Java 8, right, for HashMap implementation. So we need to tell them after reaching certain threshold, right? Okay, instead of inserting objects into like linked list, it will go and set like an insert into tree manner actually. That is the only change it has made in the Java 8 in the Java 8 features, that is with respect to hash map. This is only change done actually. We need to just inform or tell or explain to the interviewer actually. Okay, this is all about today's video. And you know if you want to refer more videos, you can go and refer my YouTube channel. There are plenty of videos are there, and even you can also just refer my playlist. There are many videos, 100 plus videos are there. Even logical and the functional and theoretical questions also covered in this playlist actually. Okay, if you like the content, please like this video, share with your friends, and comment if you have any doubts, and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And in next video we'll come up with another interesting topic. Thank you.